Did you know that your gut health affects everything, from digestion to immunity and even your mood? But the problem is, many of us are unknowingly consuming foods that are destroying our gut microbiome. Today, I'll reveal 7 dangerous foods that are harming your gut and what to eat instead to restore your digestive health. So, if you want to improve digestion, boost your energy, and prevent serious health problems, stay with me until the end of this video. Let's dive in. First, what is gut health and why it matters? Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. These bacteria play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even your mental health. A balanced gut microbiome means stronger immunity, better digestion, clear skin, improved mood. But when your gut bacteria are out of balance, it can lead to bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea, weight gain and slow metabolism, brain fog and fatigue, increased risk of diseases like diabetes and heart disease. And the worst part? Many of us are damaging our gut every day without even knowing it. Let's talk about the 7 worst gut-destroying foods you need to avoid. 1. Artificial sweeteners, aspartame, sucralose, saccharin. Artificial sweeteners may seem like a healthier alternative to sugar, but they can actually kill your gut bacteria and cause digestive distress. Studies show that sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose can disrupt the gut microbiome, leading to bloating, gas, and even insulin resistance. For better alternative, use raw honey, stevia, or monk fruit instead. 2. Processed meats, hot dogs, bacon, sausages, deli meats. These meats are loaded with nitrates, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that fuel bad bacteria in your gut. Research shows that processed meats increase inflammation and may even raise the risk of colorectal cancer. For better alternative, opt for grass-fed meats, wild fish, or plant-based protein sources. 3. Fried foods and hydrogenated oils. French fries, fried chicken, and chips may taste great, but they are a disaster for your gut. Microscope why? They contain trans fats and inflammatory oils, like soybean and canola oil, which kill beneficial gut bacteria and increase gut permeability, aka leaky gut syndrome. Better alternative, use extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil for cooking. 4. High fructose corn syrup found in sodas, candy, and packaged snacks. This hidden sugar is one of the worst for gut health. It feeds harmful bacteria, leading to gut dysbiosis, weight gain, and insulin resistance. Did you know? A can of soda can have up to 40 grams of sugar, which is way beyond the recommended daily intake. Better alternative, drink water, herbal teas, or kombucha for gut-friendly hydration. 5. Refined grains, white bread, white pasta, white rice. Refined grains are stripped of their fiber and nutrients, which means they turn into sugar quickly, feeding harmful bacteria. Studies show that eating too many refined carbs can lead to inflammation and gut imbalances. Better alternative, choose whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and sourdough bread for better digestion. 6. Dairy, especially conventional milk and cheese. Many people struggle to digest lactose, the sugar in milk, leading to bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. Why? Dairy increases mucus production, making it harder for gut bacteria to thrive. As the better alternative, switch to almond milk, coconut yogurt, or kefir, which support gut health. 7. Alcohol and excessive caffeine. Alcohol and too much caffeine can damage the gut lining, leading to chronic inflammation and poor digestion. Did you know? Even one night of heavy drinking can wipe out beneficial gut bacteria. The better alternative, drink green tea, herbal teas, or probiotic-rich drinks like kombucha instead. And now how to heal your gut? Now that you know what to avoid, here's how to fix your gut naturally. Eat more fiber. Load up on veggies, fruits, and whole grains. Healthy fats include avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Fermented foods. Eat sauerkraut, kimchi, yogurt, and kefir. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water. Manage stress. Try meditation and deep breathing. Your gut health controls your entire well-being. So be mindful of what you eat. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Question of the day. What's one gut-friendly food you eat daily? Comment below. Stay healthy, Stay happy and remember, your health comes first.